Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today we're going to be making some homemade egg rolls in the air fryer. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely delicious. Let's get started. We are going to be using 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Now, the egg rolls were a little pain in the butt for me to find, but they were in the produce section. And we're going to be using some turkey. I was going to use chicken, but I couldn't find ground chicken, so we're going to stick with turkey. And check out this Asian chopped kit that I found. It was right there in the produce section, and it already has like everything that we need in there. So we're going to skip a couple steps here and not have to do so much chopping, and just go ahead and use the slaw kit. We have to run to the stovetop and heat up some oil. So we're going to go ahead and get our ground turkey in there, and go ahead and just give it a nice couple swift chops and keep on stirring it until it's done, which literally only takes about 4 or 5 minutes total. So after just about 4 or 5 minutes, just going to keep on chopping it up so it's into little tiny pieces. Didn't take long at all to cook. So we're just going to add in all of our ingredients. So we're going to add in our garlic and our ginger that's already been minced up, our soy sauce and our rice vinegar, and just kind of give that a quick little stir. And then we're going to come in and add in our slaw. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cook this down for about 3 to 4 minutes, and until the slaw starts to get a little bit wilted. It should look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off the heat and let it cool down so that it's manageable, and we can start filling. So I let my filling cool for about a good half hour, and now I can touch it. It's not too hot. And we're just going to go ahead and start with our egg roll at a diagonal. I'm going to put about 2 scoops or 2 tablespoons in the center there, and just kind of scrunch it all together so that it kind of holds together a little more tightly, and just kind of roll it up like you would a burrito, and just kind of keep on tucking in the sides and pushing it all together, and then that's it. Just keep on rolling it all up, both sides. Make sure that both sides are all tucked in there. And then at the very top of it, I made a little egg wash, and I'm just going to go ahead and, which is just an egg beaten with a little bit of water in there. And I'm just going to take my fingertip and put it on the very corner of it, and that'll help seal it. So we're just going to go ahead and repeat the process. This one, I'm going to make 6 out of it because 6 fits in my air fryer just perfectly. I'm going to use the basket air fryer this time. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook up the rest of them, and just put them in the freezer so I can just pull them out whenever I feel like it. And then, so yeah, let's just keep on going. Okay, so we got all 6 of them all done, and since we're not going to be using a deep fryer, we're going to use the air fryer. We do need to get some color on there so it turns out nice and crispy. So we're going to go ahead and use some olive oil and just spray the tops of it. If you don't have olive oil, you can use canola or vegetable oil, whichever you have, and just spray the tops and the bottoms of them. Now comes the fun part. We're going to try and put 6 of these bad boys, I mean these are pretty big egg rolls, into our air fryer. This is a 5-quart Power XL air fryer, and so I'm pretty sure we can squeeze 6 of those in there. And we're just going to go ahead and keep on tucking until we can make enough room for all 6. Okay, we did it. We put all 6 in there. We're going to turn on our air fryer to 370 degrees for about 15 minutes, and we're going to flip them halfway. Okay, so after 12 minutes, it didn't take the whole full 15, which is probably a good thing because they were starting to get a little bit on the brown side. So after 12 minutes, look at these. They're so pretty. So I can't wait to go open one up so you can take a look at it and give it a test try. Okay, now for my favorite part. Let's go dive in here and see what it looks like. Hear that nice crispy crunch. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's nice and hot. Let's look inside of there. See all that yumminess in there? Oh my goodness. Let's take a bite. I just have a little bit of soy sauce here. Ooh, hot. Oh. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, it is delicious. I'm telling you, way better than, okay, not maybe better than, but pretty darn near close to what you would find at a restaurant. It's delicious. Gonna have to give this one a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I hope you guys give this one a try. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.